how you change a front sway bar and link in a 2013 Golf R. And I'm gonna be putting on adjustable sway bars. I got these at USP Motorsports. So you jack up the car both sides, take the wheels both off so it's leveled, and we can properly adjust the sway bars. So this is the sway bar. So as you can see, they're not good. So I'm upgrading them with adjustable sway bars. So you're just gonna unloosen that bolt over there, and the one over here too. You can see there. So I'm gonna get right on it. You do these bolts on the bolt. It has an Allen key, so I got these open end wrenches, and I can just slide in the Allen key so it doesn't move. You do these bolts on the bolt. It has an Allen key, so I got these open end wrenches, and I can just slide in the Allen key so it doesn't move. So this one was a pain in the ass, the bottom one, so I had to grind it down since we're not gonna be using this one. Even the bolt, you can basically grind it or whatever. The Allen actually stripped. What you can do is, when you start taking it off, you should probably put W40 so it takes out a lot smoother. And here's the old one. As you can see, it was already ripped apart. When that is it, when you turn the car, or sometimes you hear like a cracking noise, so that's why I'm changing these. So these are gonna be this one sway bar end links, and these ones are much nicer. So there you go. Here are the spooling sway bar end links installed. So easy install overall. It's not difficult if you have some good tools.